Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I have been working on my planner, the new one that I just got and put it together last night. I thought I would show you what it came with. It's called the Big Plans Planner Kit. So I've been doing some organizing in it, as well as a little bit of decorating, and I still have a ways to go, so I thought I would check in and let you guys see what I have done. I did have to take out of the Love Today planner the skinny pocket because I save all of my travel receipts for fuel, and they fit right in here perfectly, and I transfer them onto the computer from here. So this is in here for the moment. I do plan on making my own mini pocket. I've kind of looked at the way it was done, so that will get made up in the matching colors sooner than later. This is my mask pocket, and I will show you guys. I'll make a pocket with you. I've already got a roughed in pocket here, and this will hold the short pockets, or the short masks that I make to cover the different days of the month that have events on them. I'm starting in July, so we're at the end of June here, and I left June undecorated so that I can use it next year. I have made my pocket. I even doodled on it. So this is the pocket for July, and I'll put any other receipts or notes, anything that I need to keep to remember to transfer into my books. Here's what I did for the month. I used Pear Pizzazz, Calypso Coral, and Tuxedo Black to decorate. And I had to move my goals and my to-do from the old planner's intro page that they had. They don't have this year. The first 2 pages are the month spread. So I simply have now birthdays, hops, goals, and to-do on the notes page. So I did a little decorating, and to decorate for this month, a set that I find goes really well with the planner is called Happy Birthday Gorgeous, and it has these various flowers. And I like, because I do hops and I note them on each day that I do them, I use the squiggle in green and the flowers and the leaves to decorate. The other decorating stamp set is called Tabs for Everything, and this lives in my planner, and it has all sorts of small words. I have used the word party for this month, as well as goals to do. I have, the arrow is used for moving day. We live in a trailer, and we move every 3 weeks. So we have lots of moving days in our world. And of course, birthdays get a cake. Here's the 4th of July with some stars. And there's other words that are really helpful, like smile, wishes, happy, to do. We have happy life, remember, birthday, celebrate, amazing, do today, note, and of course there's party, which I used, enjoy, this is the day, hello, a whole bunch of different, oh, don't forget, and to you. So there's a whole bunch of very applicable text elements as well as visuals that you can use repeatedly on your month calendar. So I've also decorated my weekly spread using washi. Stampin' Up! Doesn't carry a lot of the washi, so I do have, and I will put on the supplies, I found a supplier they have a lot of the skinny washi for a reasonable price, and I will put that on my supplies list. So I have enough from last year when I just made one purchase, and it's probably going to last me at least a couple of years, I would say. I'm always on the lookout If Stampin' Up! Has some skinny washi, I am very willing to buy it. They have the black that I had last year, and I'm contemplating buying it, but the problem is only one is skinny enough for what I use, and the other four are really fat, so we'll see what I end up doing. Up ahead here for August, I have chosen I think this is called Garden Expressions, the DSP, and I have picked a DSP. Since this is a lined page, I will do the pocket in a floral. And then for September, I'm going to do a pocket this direction, and this is Daffodil Delight. I think I even went out to October. So in the month, so where there's flowers, I tend to choose, this is Smoky Slate. When there's a floral page, I do a solid, and if there's a lined page, I do a floral. So that's kind of what I'm going with. And I want to go ahead and show you, again, I've videoed this before, but we'll go ahead and go back and do my masks pocket in the very front. All right, so to make a pocket, I just use the strategy of making a album pocket. Okay, so I have folded the page up. And there is what I will use to hold my mask. So hopefully you found the Make a Pocket interesting. Each of these front pages are perfect for pockets to hold receipts, and I use an A2 size. This is just an A2 size horizontal with 3 size sides folded, cut diagonally, and then tear and tape added. Hopefully you will find this helpful when you get your planner and get to decorating. Thanks for watching.